snowstorm, where people are out here actually see the I don't want to be obvious, but I do want to be obvious. And they are out here trying to hustle for some money. What's up? I don't have no money, my man. Yeah, you already asked me, my man. Yeah, it is unbelievable. Just the people that are out here. The police are riding through. This is almost unbearable. It's going to be like this right now. It's about 10:15, 10:30. You can hear the siren. See, I'm standing right here. This is the Carman standing right here on Oak Street. And it is absolutely crazy. You can hear some thunder. Never heard thunder in a snowstorm. Thunder, snowstorms, and sirens are not good things. This street is usually packed.